So right above this archway, oh, it's starting to rain. Right above this archway are 4 figures. I don't know who they are or their significance, but pretty important considering they're etched in stone. Their memories will live on in Palermo for all of eternity. Well, not all of eternity, until the rest of the city falls apart, I suppose. So I might have to walk through this Turkish area again. Fine, whatever. Don't plan on walking through that that market, Balaro again. That was freaking ass ghetto. You know, one of the things is, every time I visit a city, I always like to go to the ghetto areas just to see what it's like. Although last night was unintentional, this morning was purely intentional. I still have 850 meters to go. Well, nothing to video out here. This is just all urban. Unless I witness some sort of accident and post that somewhere.